Can you invest in the future of our planet while also building long-term wealth? Sustainable investing has gained significant traction in recent years, with more investors seeking ways to align their portfolios with their environmental values. One of the most accessible and effective ways to do so is through sustainable ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These funds not only focus on profitable opportunities but also prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. But is investing in sustainable ETFs the right choice for you? What are sustainable ETFs? Sustainable ETFs are investment funds that pool money from investors to buy stocks or bonds in companies that meet specific environmental, social, and governance standards. These ETFs often track indexes that include companies involved in renewable energy, clean technology, sustainable agriculture, and other industries committed to a more eco-friendly and socially responsible future. Unlike traditional ETFs, which might focus solely on profit and market performance, sustainable ETFs prioritize companies that are actively contributing to solving global challenges, such as climate change, inequality, and corporate governance issues, while offering potential returns. Why invest in sustainable ETFs? 1. Alignment with personal values. Investing in sustainable ETFs allows you to put your money where your values are. Whether it's reducing carbon emissions, supporting ethical labor practices, or promoting social justice, these funds help you make an impact with every investment. 2. Strong financial performance. While many investors might believe that socially responsible investing, SRE, sacrifices returns, the opposite is often true. Companies that prioritize sustainability are increasingly positioned for long-term growth, backed by shifting consumer preferences, government incentives, and innovative green technologies. According to research from Morningstar, sustainable funds have frequently outperformed traditional ones over the past decade, making them not just an ethical choice but a smart financial one as well. 3. Growing demand for sustainable investments. There's been a sharp rise in demand for ESG-conscious investments, especially from younger generations. A report from the USSIF Foundation found that assets in sustainable investments grew to $17.1 trillion in 2020. A 42% increase over the previous 2 years. As public awareness of environmental issues grows, the financial sector is responding with more sustainable investment options, making now a prime time to get involved. Top sustainable ETFs to consider. 1. iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, ICLN, focused on clean energy companies around the world. This ETF includes firms involved in renewable energy, energy storage, and alternative fuel technologies. As the world pushes towards net zero carbon emissions, the companies in this ETF are likely to see strong growth. 2. SPYG, SPDR S&P 500 Growth ETF. While not exclusively green, this ETF tracks S&P 500 growth companies, many of which are leaders in sustainability. It's a more diversified, low-risk option for those interested in green companies across various sectors. 3. Invesco Solar ETF, TAN. If you're particularly interested in solar power, this ETF is designed to track the performance of companies in the solar energy industry. With solar energy playing a key role in the transition to a cleaner energy grid, this ETF offers targeted exposure to one of the most promising areas of clean tech. 4. Vanguard ESG US Stock ETF, ESGV. For those looking for a broad-based, low-cost option with a focus on US companies, ESGV includes large companies that meet certain ESG criteria. This is ideal for investors who want to integrate sustainability without focusing solely on green energy. Advantages of sustainable ETFs. 1. Diversification. Sustainable ETFs give investors exposure to multiple companies and industries, mitigating the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. By owning shares in several companies focused on sustainability, you spread the risk while maintaining a focus on green, future-oriented investments. 2. Lower fees than actively managed funds. Sustainable ETFs generally have lower management fees compared to actively managed funds. This means more of your money is working for you in the market, rather than being eaten up by administrative costs. 3. Transparency and liquidity. ETFs are inherently more transparent than mutual funds because they are traded on public exchanges. They also offer liquidity, meaning you can buy or sell shares during market hours, making it easier to manage your investment. Challenges of investing in sustainable ETFs. 1. Performance fluctuations. Although sustainable ETFs have generally performed well, there are still periods of volatility. Market fluctuations, technological advances, and regulatory changes can all impact the value of these funds. 2. Limited options. While the sustainable investing landscape is growing rapidly, there are still fewer ETFs that focus solely on sustainable investments compared to traditional ETFs. However, as demand for green investments increases, more options are likely to become available. 3. ESG criteria. Variability. Not all sustainable ETFs have the same ESG standards. Some funds may be more rigorous in selecting companies based on their environmental or social performance, while others may have looser criteria. Always check the fund's methodology before investing to ensure it aligns with your values. Can you invest in the future of our planet while also building long-term wealth? Absolutely. Sustainable ETFs offer a way to invest in companies that are shaping the future of energy, technology, and social impact. With the right strategy, they can be both a morally fulfilling and financially rewarding choice. Sustainable ETFs represent a powerful way to invest in a greener, more socially responsible future while securing your financial future. As demand for clean technologies and socially responsible companies rises, the long-term growth potential is undeniable. Are you ready to align your investments with your values? If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on sustainable investing and share this article with your friends to help spread the word about the green investing movement.